How to delete Spotify recently played. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete Spotify recently played. So the first thing you want to do is update your Spotify app to the latest version. And now once you've done that, simply open your Spotify app on your mobile device. Now make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. And now if you scroll down there, you'll see the list of all of the different songs you've played recently. And now it'll show a total of 12 recently played songs on your Spotify account. So if you want to remove these or hide these songs on your recently played, the first thing you can do is simply play a list of another 12 songs, which will then show up on your recently played, and these will be pushed out of your recently played. And once you've done that, only the songs which you want to be on your recently played will appear over here. And after that, you can simply go to the settings on the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down, and there on your social you can see the option named private session. So if you tap on this option, from now on whichever music you listen to will not show up on recently played, as you will be able to listen to songs anonymously. So now that your recently played is filled with the songs that you want to be shown and you have turned on private session, your recently played will be deleted. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.